All right, good morning. Captain Tom here. It's about 6:25 a.m. Wednesday, and it's time to go fishing. Got a wind coming out of the northeast, and we will journey aboard the Pasta Passion. All right. Say good morning. Good morning. All right, we're here. Perfect time for the tides, except for one thing. It's raining like a son of a gun. Raining cats and dogs. We're just gonna wait for it to calm down a little bit, and then we'll see if we can catch some fish. Again, the wind is coming out of the northeast, around a little more than we want, 14 miles per hour in Shinnecock. All right. Okay, we're finally on our way out. What'd you say, you got fresh fluke bellies?
Yes.
All right.
We've got some fresh bait.
Some nice spearing. Wow, look at that thing. That's beautiful. Yep, there it is, the rainbow. I think all the fish are right here.
I see it. Oh yeah, you're going right into the secondary shelf. Watch out. It gets low.
Going into the shelf here. Here's what we got in terms of the bottom. Got a little shelf action that you can see right there. Oh yeah.
19.
See? Yep, 19.
That's good.
Yep.
That's a keeper. You finally got one, Tom.